Guys, today I wanted to talk about the new Pharrell NMD colorways that have been announced, what are my thoughts on them, and how I think these shoes could be the ones to reinstate the hype around the Pharrell NMD silhouette and potentially bring Boost back. As many of you guys know, the Pharrell silhouette has really been on the back burner for the last, year or so. I mean, there really haven't been many colorways dropping, and a big part of that is there's just been not as much hype. And I think what is leading to the less hype has to be that trail outsole that they put on a lot of the new models. I think people really just don't like that. The general consensus is it's weird, it makes the shoe heavier, and people liked it when it had the traditional NMD outsole, like with the original Pharrell colorways had, and that they had did so much better in the resale market. So I was kind of confused when they really stuck with the trail outsole. But a really interesting finding is I've seen three colorways of the new Pharrell NMDs. One of them has came out. It was a network festival, which I'm not entirely sure what it is. I believe it's like a festival where you can like purchase products from like musical artists and things like that. There was a pair that dropped exclusively there with the original outsole, which was so great to see. I can throw up an image now. Um, I mean, it's not my favorite colorway, but it's definitely a unique one. Definitely that bright blue Boost midsole and that orange primed upper I think looks pretty cool. The second pair I've only seen it on Seth Fowler's YouTube. He got them as a sample, and I think that colorway is fire. I can throw up a picture now. I think that's a great colorway. Will they release that? I don't know, but again, does not have the trail outsole, which I love. And the third colorway, I'm not sure if these are coming out. These could just be a concept, but they were this clean all white pair. I think they looked awesome. They kind of reminded me of the blank canvas ones that dropped a while ago. And all three of them had the traditional NMD outsoles, which I loved. And I think that's really going to be able to drive hype up for them again and, actually start revving up the Pharrell resale market to be how it used to be. I know I said I was going to throw up the image of them from Seth Fowler, but I don't want to get copyrighted from him. But, just look up the video yourself and take my word, it's a fire colorway. So what I think they can do for Boost, I think they can partially bring back Boost to its previous glory. Because when you think about it, the Pharrell NMD, it's an NMD, and the Adidas NMD was the most popular shoe during like that Boost era. And since if the Pharrell silhouette is hyped, then people are going to be buying NMDs because not everyone can afford Pharrells. I mean, Pharrells are like double, triple, quadruple the price in the aftermarket. So the NMDs are like a budget version of the Pharrells. And if people are buying NMDs, then that's going to be so much better for Adidas and Boost. And I think that is the reason why Boost could potentially make somewhat of a comeback based on these new Pharrell colorways. I want to hear from you guys. Do you like these new colorways? Did you actually like the trail outsole better than the original Adidas NMD outsole? I want to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts? Are you guys going to try to cop any of these pairs if they have a more general release to the public? But overall, thanks guys for watching. Hope you learned something. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.